Hey guys, how's it going? How to unarchive a story on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram. All right. Now what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and click on your profile at the bottom right. Okay. Now what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and click the three bars at the top right. Okay. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the archive, right? And basically you're gonna see the post archive at the top. Click on it and you're gonna see story archive. Click on it. Right, and you're gonna be able to see all of your story archive right here. Okay, and you're gonna be able to see it, right? And basically, if you want to add it to your story, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and add it to your highlights, right? And basically, if you want to share it if you want to basically add it or unarchive it, you can just go ahead and click create post or reel or just share right here, and I'm gonna be able to add it to my stories. So that's been all the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe and thank you for watching.